Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of Capital Markets Quickie. I'm your host, Endrit Cela, ready to unwrap a day that breathes some fresh life into the markets, thanks especially to some heavy hitters in the tech world. Yesterday, U.S. stocks found their footing after a roller coaster of a week. The Standard & Poor's 500 was up by 1%, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite soared by an impressive 2%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average saw a modest rise of 0.4%, adding about 150 points to the board. So, what sparked this resurgence? None other than Alphabet and Microsoft, two of the tech titans, which delivered earnings that not only exceeded expectations, but reignited hopes for a big tech-led market rally. Alphabet saw its shares jump around 10%. That's right, 10% in a single day, pushing its market cap over the monumental $2 trillion mark. Meanwhile, Microsoft also posted a strong showing with a 2% increase, thanks to booming demand in their AI and cloud segments. These results are a significant breath of fresh air, especially after the damp squib from Meta earlier in the week, whose disappointing forecast had many investors wringing their hands. On the flip side, we've got the latest inflation figures to chew on. The Personal Consumption Expenditures Price Index for March, the Fed's go-to inflation measure, showed that core prices rose 2.8% year over year. That's a tick above the 2.7% many were expecting, and it's held steady from the previous figure. This stickiness in price pressures is a clear sign to Wall Street that any hopes for aggressive rate cuts might need to be shelved. In fact, bets have been scaled back dramatically, from 7 anticipated cuts to just 1 this year. Amid these broader market moves, we saw some individual stock fireworks too. Snap, for example, shot up a staggering 27%. It seems investors are really buying into the company's revamped digital ad strategy. As we wrap up today's Market Quickie, it's clear that the road ahead remains uncertain, with inflation concerns on one side and potential tech triumphs on the other. But for now, at least, the big names in tech have given the market a much-needed boost. That's all for today. Thanks for tuning in, and make sure to join us back on Monday on Capital Markets Quickie as we continue to track these unfolding market stories. Stay informed, stay invested.